Check this out, a 1969 Mach 1, fully restored, valued at $180,000. Have a go at the exterior on this, deep impact blue, painted beautifully, and custom Mach 1 deckled GT stripes up the centre, and an aluminium shaker, and a front and rear spoiler. Look at the interior in this, it's fitted with a TKO 600 Tremec manual transmission, also a GME classic configuration on the dash, housed around with timber wood grain finish on it, and the steering wheel's got the wood grain as well, which is traditional for the Mach 1s. It's a right-hand drive, which is definitely a kicker. It's got beautiful black carpet on it, beautiful black seats with basket weave interior with a bit of red accent along the end of it. This car is sick. Have a go at the engine that's pushing this along the road. It's a big block, a 432 with custom Ford pistons in it and a hot cam. It has got all the bells and whistles, this thing. It's even got aluminium hinged louvers on the back of it. Also 17-inch aluminium wheels. So if you want this in your garage, get a package. Paddy here from Classics. We proudly support veterans.